Hello everybody, welcome back to SkillWeb. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make AI songs covers. Let's have a look now. There are a lot of websites to create AI cover songs. You can try one of them or all of them and find out the best AI websites for you. In this video, I am using Musicify. It's easy to use and so simple. Let's head over to the Musicify AI website. Now select the artist you wanna use. You can upload audio file here or record your audio, or you can add a YouTube link. Now go to the YouTube and find the song you want that artist to use. Copy the link. Now paste the link here. Click on charts and upload. It may take some time. Once it's uploaded, click on generate. That's it, you have your converted vocals right here. If you want to listen to only vocals, click here. And to download the song, click here. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.